Hello, in this lesson we are going to get expression of y bar of quarter of a circle by using this method number 3, which we call it method number 3, by using horizontal strip parallel to the x-axis. Our strip this time, the length will be x and the height will be dy, and the distance is y from the x-axis. And for point with coordinates x and y, can be expressed that x equal to r cosine theta and y will be r sine theta. So we will write a y bar equal to the integration of dA of the strip multiply a by y distance. Our strip is x dy, the area. This is dA, and for the y term is r sine theta. For the x, it will lead us, x term will lead us to r cosine theta. For the dy, we have to differentiate the y itself is r sine theta. By differentiation, we get r cosine theta d theta. So this term would be our dy. And r sine theta will be also there. So r sine theta and r cosine theta is the term of dy, and this is the x. This x will become r cosine theta. So we have cosine, one cosine multiplied by cosine multiplied by sine. So we have cosine, cosine, and sine. And we have how many r? We have one r here. We have one r here, one r here. So we have r cubed. Again, for the expression of sine theta, cosine theta, we'll multiply by 2 and divide by 2. For sine theta, cosine theta, cosine theta. For sine theta, cosine theta, we have it sine 2 theta. So our ay bar would be equal to r cubed over 2 multiplied by the integration from 0 to pi over 2. Our integration this time, as we said, our start from y equal to 0. Our theta in that situation will be 0. And when the strip moves up until y equal to capital R, the theta after tracing, it will become pi over 2. That's why we have our starting from 0 to pi over 2. In this case, we have sine 2 theta multiplying cosine theta d theta. We recall the expression that sine A cosine B, sine A cosine B, this is sine cosine, equal 1/2 sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Our A is 2 theta, the first angle, while the second angle is theta. So sine A plus B will be sine 3 theta, while sine A minus B will be sine theta. So again, back to our expression, ay bar equal to r to the power of 3 over 2, integration from 0 to pi over 2, 1 over 2, sine 3 theta plus sine theta d theta. We'll move to the next slide. Ay bar equal to r to the power 3 over 4 after we getting the 1/2 out. We have sine 3 theta plus sine theta d theta. We can make the integration normally. The integration of sine 3 theta is minus cosine 3 theta divided by 3 from 0 to pi over 2. And the integration of sine theta d theta will be minus cosine theta from 0 to pi over 2. Okay, for cosine, minus cosine 3 theta, this will be minus 0 minus the cosine of 0 is 1. So we have minus 1 but divided by 3. Minus the cosine of pi over 2 is 0, minus the cosine of 0 is 1 divided by 1. So we have r cubed over 4 and multiplied by open parenthesis. We have parenthesis 1 over 3 plus 1, which is 4 over 3 multiplied by r to the power of 3 divided by 4. We get our expression r cube over 4. R cube over 3, because this 4 will go with the 4. Recalling that the area is pi r square over 4, in order to get the expression of y bar, we simply divide the ay bar by a. So we have r cube over 3 divided by pi r square over 4. We will get the 4r over 3 pi, which will tell us that the vertical distance from the CG, which is called y bar, is equal to 4r over 3 pi, which is already equal to the x bar we have just obtained from the last lesson. Thanks a lot and take care. Goodbye.